Good morning guys, in front of me is MOTOROLA Moto S50 Neo, and let me show you how to change system language. At first, open the settings. Then from main settings list, select System, click on Languages, and mark System Languages. Tap on plus icon to add new language, select the one that you want to apply. Okay, so this one may be not available. Let me pick Dutch and that position. So now slide it up to the first place, just like that. Click on change to apply it as a system language, and that's it. As you can see, now your device is in selected language. If you want to remove some language, just tap on more icon, tap on remove, and mark those languages that you want to get rid of. Tap on bin icon and confirm it. So that's it. Obviously you can change language whenever you want, the same way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.